Namaskaram to Vijay Sai primary section parents and our high school section parents. Our students performed an activity regarding Gandhi on account of Gandhi Jayanti today. Please watch that program and wish our students and encourage our students. And I also request all the YouTube viewers to subscribe our Vijay Sai YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
My name is Nagmalla. I am studying in 4th standard. Today I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma means Mahan Atma, a great soul. This name was given by his great friend Rabindranath Tagore. As we all know, October 2nd, 1869 is the birth date of our nation father Mahatma Gandhi. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India every year. UNGA has marked this date as the International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's parents are Karamchand Gandhi, Putlibai. Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi, we also call him as Bapuji. Mahatma Gandhi, one of our greatest freedom fighter. He was the man who gave his whole life to the nation. Mahatma Gandhi led many movements to bring the British flag down in the country. Mahatma Gandhi played three major movements. They were the non-cooperation movement, Dandi March, Quit India movement. His inspiration for all people. He gave name Harijan to untouchables. He constantly promoted ahimsa and non-violence as a tool for freedom struggle. He gave slogan do or die. Throughout his life, Mahatma Gandhi fearlessly fought for the rights and dignity of people. Mahatma Gandhi was a simple living and high thinking. Few months after independence, he was shot by Nathuram Godse on 30 January 1948. Let's celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti remembering Mahatma Gandhi's principles, peace and non-violence. Let's all be proud to be Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
My name is Abhigya and we've standard. Today I am telling about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His parents are Karamchand Gandhi and Putli Bai. He was the great follower of truth and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian lawyer, active politician and freedom fighter. The main campaign ran by Gandhiji during freedom struggles are Dandi March, Quit Indian movement, non-cooperation movement, Salt Satyagraha, etc. Mahatma Gandhi had joined the Indian National Congress in 1920. Gandhiji was awarded with Time magazine of the year in 1930. He was also known as Bapu and Father of Nation. Every year we celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. This great leader of our country is died on 38th January 1948. Thank you from Abhigya.
Good morning to all my dear friends. This is Manisha of 10th standard of Vijay Sai High School. Today I want to speak about Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of our nation, who was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar at Gujarat. He became one of the most respected spiritual and political leader of India. Gandhi helped the Indian people from British rule through non-violent resistance, and he is honored by the Indian people as father of the Indian nation. And he is considered to be one of the greatest human beings of the modern times, and as the founder of the modern India, he will be always remembered. He was an average student in school. Later, he went to England to study the law. When he moved to South Africa, he decided to fight for the rights of the Indians there. After experiencing discrimination there, on his return to India, he joined the Indian freedom movements and soon he became a very important leader. And he started the non-cooperation and Quit India movements against the British rule in India. And he was a great believer in ahimsa or non-violence. He fought hard for the removal of curse of untouchability. Finally, due to the untiring efforts of Mahatma Gandhi and some other freedom fighters, India attained independence on 15th August 1947. So lastly, I conclude that every citizen of India should express his gratitude and hard work by giving such kind of speeches or motivating others about him. By his determination and dedication, he became such a great personality. So I really hands off to every freedom fighters who are struggling for India and who are treating the India as their mother. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.
Good morning everyone. I am Juhi Himsha from 7th standard. I am studying in Sri Vijay Sai High School. Today I am going to speak a few words on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October all over the country. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of father of nation Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, whom we call as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869 in a small town of Porbandar, Gujarat. 2nd October is also celebrated as Non-Violence Day, as he was a preacher of non-violence. He studied law in UK and practiced in South Africa. He fought continuously against British rule for the Indian independence. He started Satyagraha movement for the Indian freedom struggle. Under his leadership, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Mahatma Gandhi was against addictions like smoking and drinking. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated all over the country to pay him tribute and remember his great works for the independence. It is celebrated at Rajghat, New Delhi with lots of preparations like offering flowers, prayers and singing his favorite song Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. His involvement and leadership in India's independence cannot be forgot for the upcoming generations. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.